had rain all day yesterday when we got here. Today doesn't look too bad. Hopefully the rain holds off today, hon.
Hopefully. That would be good.
Showdown. We're in the park. It's not open yet, but we're walking around. They open in about half hour. So this is Knoebels Amusement Resort in Elysburg, Pennsylvania. Now, I don't know how many rides we're going to get to show you today, guys, because we were rained out yesterday and we're leaving tomorrow morning. So we only have about a day in the park. It is the middle of summer on a weekend, so the lines are going to be pretty long. The Phoenix is probably their most popular roller coaster. It's a wooden roller coaster. It was built in, I think, 1947, and that amusement park closed in the 80s. So they actually disassembled this whole roller coaster, moved it up here to Knoebels and rebuilt it, and that's where the name Phoenix comes from. This is the Pioneer train we go on at every trip that we come here. It's a 1.5 mile ride that takes you through the woods. You go underneath the Twister roller coaster, and they put an awesome display up during Halloween. I made a video of that. If you want to check that out, I'll put a link at the top of the screen right now. And this is just a great old school ride here at Knoebels. Museum at Knoebels here is pretty cool. We always walk through here. It's got a pretty extensive history and a bunch of different artifacts from the mining days in this area. And in the back of the museum is a picture collage / history of Knoebels Amusement Resort.
I remember going to a post office like this. Like maybe not like this. This is kind of old, you know.
Yeah.
But we went to a post office and it had like a key. They look like it.
The line for the Scenic Skyway was not long, so we jumped on this. This is a pretty cool ride up the side of a mountain, and you can see the entire park from up here.
What, the coaster used to be my jam. My back can't take it anymore. I'm just too old.
It's the wooden roller coasters. That one's not bad. It's smooth, you know?
They used to be my jam. I was on them and on them again. No more. No more, I'll tell you.
In October, they dress this entire park up for Halloween, and we have a trip already planned to come back then. So I promise you guys I will get some footage of the rides here when we come back in October. Right next to the amusement park is Knoebels Campground. Now this campground is electric only, so you don't have a sewer hookup or a water hookup, but they do have a water filling station when you pull in and a couple dump stations to hit before you leave. It is literally on the side of a mountain, so these sites, I would say probably 75% of them are not level. They do get a little bit crowded, and there's no paved sites or patios. So on paper, it's not the greatest campground you're ever going to see, but I think the appeal for everybody coming here is that you are literally a 5-minute walk right to the park. I also want to mention, guys, that if you're familiar with the channel, you know that the majority of our videos are tips, tricks, modifications, and upgrades. But we really only started this channel back in September, October, towards the end of last camping season. So we haven't had an opportunity to make travel vlog style videos. So you're gonna see more of those on the channel as well now that we're in the middle of camping season. So I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you like the video, please click that thumbs up button. And we hope you consider subscribing. Until next time, happy camping, everyone.